session of class 12th 2020-21. Now today I am here to give you a complete analysis of the design of question paper, because this is the utmost requirement. You must all know the design of question paper, the books recommended for that, and exactly how to prepare for section wise. First of all, let me tell you the subject English score 12 is of 80 marks and 20 marks are for the internal assessment. Let us take the whole design section wise. First is reading section. It is of 20 marks and this section is divided into two parts. First one, a comprehensive passage. It carries 12 marks. And second is note making. This is of 8 marks. 4 plus 4 means 4 marks for note making and 4 marks for summary. It is same here also. Question number 1 of comprehension is also divided into two parts. In fact, 3 parts. First one is short question, just one word question. They are MCQs. 6 questions are there and you may have to do 5 out of them. Then the second part of comprehension is short question of 1 mark each, 5 marks and 2 questions for vocabulary. Now let us come to second part, that is writing section. It is of 30 marks and there are 4 questions in this section. The third question is, that means first question of writing section is short composition. As we all know, the short composition include advertisements, notice, poster and invitations. Invitation in fact is a new topic for you, because these poster, notice and advertisement you have already done in 11th class. Again we will be going for them, and these are of 4 marks. You will get 2 questions with internal choice and you have to do 1 out of them. Then we have got letter writing. This is of 6 marks. As per letters are concerned, we categorize the letters into 3 parts. Basically they are formal letters only, including editorial letters, business letters and official letter, and 1 job application. Here the format remains the same as we have done already, the format of formal letters. Now question number 5 and 6 of writing section. In question number 5 and 6 we have got 4 articles, that means 4 questions. One is article, report, speech and debate. You will get any 2 with internal choice. Question number 5, 2 questions with a choice. Question number 6, 2 questions with a choice. And that means 10 plus 10. This is a long composition. Then if we talk of literature section, it is of 30 marks. And as we have already seen in 11th also, the first question is extract from poetry and prose. That means we have to prepare for this book with an extended study material from Flamingo. Now there will be 2 extracts, 1 from poetry and 1 from prose. That will be 4 plus 4. Okay, question number 8, short answer questions. There will be 6 questions in total and we have to do 5 out of 6, 2 marks each, that means 10 marks. Then we come to long answer questions. There are 2 long answer questions, 9 and 10. Question number 9 will come from Flamingo, 6 marks, and question number 10, that will again be a long answer question from Vistas. Both are of 6 marks. That means our literature becomes 30, then our writing skill 30 and reading section 20. That makes it Then we have got 20 marks of internal assessment that includes